In this video, we are going to see if you want to change the color theme of your Google Chrome browser, here's what you can do. For example, you want to turn this Google browser into green. What you need to do is just click on the three dots and just click on the settings. Right at the top, you will see You and Google. So that's basically option to customize your Google profile. And we can see the second link that says customize your Google profile. And here is where you can pick a default theme for it. Let's pick green in this example, and you can see that besides the page, everything turns green. Similarly, if you want to pick any other interesting color, you can do that as well. And usually people do this for using and creating multiple profiles on Google Chrome. And also you can pick a favorite avatar. Let's say in my case, I will choose this one, and that's all you have to do. And as you can see, now it turns pink. But whenever you want to switch back to the original one, you can just go to the same option and set to default. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.